Hi guys, we're going to show you how to make some slime. So all you're going to need is some clear glue. And then just going to squirt it in there. If I can get it to hold. Sorry guys, but you'll have to fill your little bucket up full of glue. Not all of it, just make sure it fills the bottom. And then all you're going to want to do is put some salt in on the top of the glue and mix it. After you've done that, you'll have to put some water in. That's why you can see some water at the bottom here. See? If you look closely, you see it. So I'll show you the slime that I've made at the minute. So here it is. 1 second. Well, yeah, that is still a bit sticky, but yeah. Let's move on to our other one. So this must have settled for a few minutes. While we was doing that, don't add too much salt. That's a warning, or it'll go too liquidy. So I think I'm gonna let it settle for a bit. So let's put that here. Let's see how our other one is. So let's check it out. Maybe it needs some sun. Just joking, guys. So I'm gonna zoom in a bit for you. Just 1 second, guys. If you see, it'll start mixing together, but if you want, you can start touching it, and if it gets a bit too sticky, then keep adding some salt, put some more water in it, keep adding your glue, and yeah. So make sure you subscribe to this video, press the notification bell, so you don't miss any of my videos. Bye! Da-da.